Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the history of Portugal. The history of Portugal can be traced from circa 4 lakh years ago, when the region of present-day Portugal was inhabited by Homo heidelbergensis, the oldest human fossil in the skull discovered in the cave of Aroria in Almonda. Later Neanderthals roamed the northern Iberian Peninsula. Homo sapiens arrived in Portugal around 35,000 years ago. So before going further, I want to request you to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, share with your friends and don't skip the video for the full information. Pre-Celtic tribes such as Lusitanians, Tuduli and Ostromines lived in the center and north. Sorry for the difficult words, but it happens. I'm really very sorry. In the south, the Senites lived in the Algarve and Lower Alentejo regions. Before the 6th century BC developed the city of Tartessus and the written. Actually, I want to tell you from Tartessus and the written Tartessian language and left many stelae in the south of the country. Before this, I want to tell you about they dominated the northern and central area, while the south retained much of its Tartessian character combined with the Salitici until the Roman conquest. Some small, semi-permanent trading settlements were founded by Phoenician Carthaginians on the southern coast of the Algarve. The Roman invasion in the 3rd century BC lasted several centuries and developed the Roman provinces of Lusitania in the south and Galicia in the north. Numerous Roman sites include works of engineering, baths, temples, bridges, roads, circuses, theaters, lemons homes, queens, sarcophagi, and ceramics. As elsewhere in Western Europe, there was a sharp decline in urban life during the Dark Ages following the fall of Rome. Germanic tribes that the Romans referred to as a barbarians controlled the territory between the 5th and 8th centuries. These included the kingdom of the Suebi centered in Braga and the Visigothic kingdom in the south. Eventually, the Visigoths seized power in the whole of Liberia. Under the Visigoths, a new class emerged, a nobility which played a tremendous social and political role during the Middle Ages and also began to play a very important part within the state. But since the Visigoths did not know Latin, the Catholic bishops continued the Roman system of governance. The clergy started to emerge as a high-ranking class. During the reign of King John I, the Portuguese defeated the Castilians in a war over the throne in 1385 and established a political alliance with England by the Treaty of Windsor in 1386. In 1910, there was a revolution that deposed the monarchy amid corruption, repression of the church, and the near bankruptcy of the state. A military coup in 1926 installed a dictatorship that remained until another coup in 1974. The new government instituted sweeping democratic reforms and granted independence to all of Portugal's African colonies in 1975. Portugal is a founding member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO), the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD), and the European Free Trade Association (EFTA). It entered the European Economic Community, now the European Union, in 1986. Here we end this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. See you in next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.